God, I look to you, and I won't be overwhelmed. Give me vision to see things like you do. God, I look to you, 'cause you're where my help comes from. Give me wisdom, 'cause you know just what to do. And I will love you, Lord, my strength. I will love you, Lord, my shield. And I will love you, Lord, my rock. Forever all my days I will love you, God. Oh God, I look to you, and I won't be overwhelmed. Give me vision, oh, to see things like you do. God, I look to you, 'cause you're where my help comes from. Give me wisdom, oh, you know just what to do. And I will love you, oh Lord, my strength. And I will love you, Lord, you are my shield. And I will love you, oh Lord, my rock. Forever all my days I will love you. Oh yes, and I will love you, oh Lord, you are my strength. And I will love you, oh Lord, my shield. And I will love you, oh Lord, my rock. Oh, forever all my days, oh, I will love you, my God. Hallelujah, our God reigns. Hallelujah, our God reigns. Oh, hallelujah, our God reigns. Forever all my days, hallelujah. Sing it out. Oh, hallelujah, our God reigns. Lift it
Alrighty,
high.
and we are back, ladies and gents.
Hallelujah, our God reigns. Oh, hallelujah, our God reigns. Oh, forever all my days. Hallelujah. Sing again. Hallelujah.
Keeks,
Oh, it's hallelujah.
for your selling session this morning, it's going to be easy. Because Project G got absolutely fed. Markets were drawn out for them. So, Chad, do we think Keegan can make 6 sales today?
We've already had 3.
Really?
Oh,
Wait, let me check.
go check. You sleeping there, bro?
Oh, it only shows 2 here by me. Wait, let
Fine,
me
we'll make another quick one then.
Let me see here. Yeah, I've got 2 sales here. Chad. Project G was absolutely on point here this morning. Wait, let me just... Chad, I just want to show you guys quickly something here. This is... Project G knows what this is. But what I want to show you guys quickly is this is the power of Project G. Okay. Let me do this. So I'm actually helping Keegan with his sales this morning. I'm selling it, Keeks. Look at me selling it. Okay, wait, I have to show. Let me show. Okay, Chad. So, okay, it wasn't even on my screen. There we go. So, this morning, round about 7:28, I sent this in Project G, and I said what I'm looking for on gold this morning. Okay. Then I said first the fake out above Asia range, closure back into the Asia range, and then the next closure back above Asia range is where I will execute. And then if we take it one step further, I don't know actually how I did that, where even the timing was and there we go, and it's still running. And then just to show you guys a little bit here, let me actually bring this across quickly for you guys. Let's just bring this across to you guys. Look at this. Just a lot of winners here in Project G. Alright. But don't join. You don't want to be a part of all of these saucy trades. Brian, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I was maybe in the spirit here this morning, preparing for trading with faith. But yeah, drawn out for the boys. These are some of the similar 4-hour plays that we have taken last week, the week before. And everyone just absolutely crushing it. But Chad, we're going to get going here straight away. Hope you guys are ready. No prayer this morning. We already prayed. If you want to pray, go watch Trading with Faith from this morning. We're going to get straight into it. We've got 19 minutes. I don't know what made gold pop. I don't see any headlines or anything. I checked the news feed. Yeah, nothing. Relatively straightforward this morning. We've got interest rate decision coming out of Britain. And then we've got initial jobless claims still showing as not available. So we don't know when that is going to come through. But I'm going to start off with the daily on the dollar. And yesterday, as mentioned, are we actually going to hold above this zone? Or are we actually going to get a fake out back into the range? That is the big question here, is what is going to happen in this zone once we retest the 200 daily EMA breakout level. Can we hold it? That is the big question. So what I want to see here is what is the dollar going to do in this zone? Okay. At this stage, we cannot be bearish. One bearish daily candle close does not constitute that we are now all of a sudden bearish. But for the day, if we can get something like this, I do think we can see some dollar downside. And that will actually make it a fake out. But I do think if we can start trading back above this area, okay, this zone here. So it's a tight little zone. You don't want to be involved there. If we get something above here, that is going to be super bullish. Okay, something down here, that is going to be bearish. US 30. US 30. Yesterday closing bullish. Remember what I said, still overall bullish on US 30. I just want to check. Okay, you guys can't see the screen. Mentioned to you guys, there was that breakout. There's that zone we mentioned, the flat body area there. Okay, this is the breakout. Yesterday closing bullish. I would have loved for that daily to just nip the previous daily low, because this now effectively we could see something like this where the daily candle is actually gonna come and close bearish like that. Okay, so I don't necessarily like this closure here, but a test is a test and it is holding. So we're going to see what is going to happen here on the lower time frame. Asia lows, 200 EMA, point of control, daily flip up there. Point of control, I think, is also sitting right up there. So personally for me, I'm going to say you need to wait for something a little bit later, close to the open, something like that. Otherwise, we can first go all the way back down to that previous daily low and then start trading up. So this is the idea on US 30. NASDAQ on the daily, nice little rebound there as well. This is what I love. NASDAQ is looking much better. There's that previous low taken. Beautiful test into that breakout area right there. You don't even need a lot. This was purely just a test on that level. Spoke about it yesterday. And today we've got your daily flip up there with 200 EMA. I'm going to say the intermediate level or zone is going to be right here. Okay. Bullish above. Right. Short-term bearishness below. Short-term bearishness below. Goldilocks, first time in, let me just count for you guys. First time in almost 4 days where we are now officially breaking above a previous daily high. Okay. We are still effectively trading within that daily candle from last week, Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So we are still in a daily consolidation, but the volume is looking better. Yesterday I mentioned to you guys as well. Let me just go on the hourly. I don't know why my hourly zones are gone. Give me 1 second. Okay, we had an hourly zone there. We had an hourly zone here. And then we had an hourly there. Okay. So yesterday, just playing inside of that range. Holding that zone, then pushing up, then rejecting it. And then this morning, holding above it. So we are currently at that zone, the next zone. So what I'm going to look for now is potentially some type of consolidation. Some type of consolidation in this area. If we can get a consolidation, hold above there, and then the breakout, that's going to be beautiful. Otherwise, what I'm looking for is the retest of the previous daily high and Asia high. Because remember, we look at the momentum break above Asia high. So now we're not looking for reversals. We are looking for continuations. So if we get a pullback this deep, this is where the buys are going to come in and we're going to retarget the session highs. If we get a little bit of a pause consolidation here, I do think there's still some juice in it, but otherwise what can happen is we can actually start coming back short again. And the retrace, oh, I missed that 15.
I got so right to do my marketing there quickly.
Sure, man, it's quick on the marketing there. Okay, damn, I missed that, but that's fine. So yeah, that's gold. For the other guys that were in Project G, some of you took gold here, if I'm not mistaken. Some of you guys took gold there. 2 valid setups. 15-minute for Project G is also valid on this candle. I missed it. That right there, stops will need to be, if you took it, stops would need to be 4,240. 4,240. Sure, stops are tight. Okay, that was a 1-to-1 done. Okay, that's fine. DAX, let's quickly look at DAX. Daily closing back inside the range. Beautiful. So I would expect now for DAX to go bullish. Yesterday as well, I don't know if you guys remember in the session, I said that was the sign that you can go bullish. Taking previous daily low, failing to hold below. So I would expect DAX now to come all the way back inside of this range. So bullish for me on the day. And how can you potentially execute on this? There's Asia highs. I think that is also your daily flip. So I'm going to say monitor this area. If we can hold above the daily flip, that is where volume is going to come in. And you can see the continuation. Or if we just stay below it, we can go for a deeper pullback into this area. And that is also where you can start looking for buys. But Chad, that is my rapid fire analysis. Kigalezi, over to you, my brother.
All right.
So you only need 4 sales to beat the best.
Bro, do me a favor. Just go on there quickly. I just popped the guys a message about the reviews. Just send them the link or where they must go just to do it. But I put a message on the group for the guys. Chad, let's start off with the dollar. Now, what can you guys see over here? So very simply, remember we said to you we want to be bullish, but we're still neutral on the weekly. The big reason is that we are that weekly R1. And we could see exactly what we are seeing now. So 2 things I like here, which kind of is turning that little bit of a bullish momentum back to a
Sorry,
neutral.
Kiga, did you send
In G-Chat.
G-Chat, okay.
Is that the idea? We tested, yeah, okay? Second thing I like to always talk to you guys that when we are holding a key level like the weekly R1, you kind of want this last little bit of a fake out, which falls perfectly over there, and you can see where the rest of our bodily wicks are. So this was your nice fake out, getting all those buyers trapped, or people thinking the dollar's going bullish in this case. Now turning around, holding that weekly R1, you want to see the sell, where today obviously starting off with a big gap to the downside. So again, that is starting to come into play. Obviously, I can't predict a gap, but it is working in line with the analysis. Now that we are holding that, 2 things for me. We spoke about this last week. You guys know, even though gaps are opening up, it doesn't have to be filled immediately. If we don't go for this break back in here, hold previous daily lows, and go for that gap closure, more than likely, not only will we see a bearish side, but we're going to see a trending side. So if we don't go for a gap closure, very good chance you're going to see a one-way move today. And that could take us all the way back down to that key level of 99,500 and then possibly even lower. So we're just going to monitor that for you guys. USD, again, we spoke to you guys about the idea that we were neutral. To see a move back off of that monthly pivot today, I'm still a little bit in between. The thing for me now is I am still, again, neutral just because we're in price. But where this comes from, the idea that I'm happy with both moves. So I can see a potential sell and I can see a potential buy. The very simple, in a nutshell explanation here, is that weekly S1. If we hold above the weekly S1, we continue bullish. If we break below and we hold underneath the weekly S1, we can continue bearish. Very simple stuff there, okay? So what I would be looking for in a nutshell is very simply, yeah, you guys are going to see that grabber play almost come in. So we are trading Asia highs, Asia lows, holding back at Asia lows. Yeah, if we break again and we get the EQ, if we get a type of move there in a little bit of a break of structure, this is where I would look to go long on that grabber and target Asia highs. But if we can break and we continue to hold underneath the EQ, I'm going to look for the sells, and we can go all the way daily S1 and possibly even previous daily low. So you'll monitor that over there. Then lastly, with gold, that has been very good to us again today. Still an idea that we were neutral with the bullish outlook, because yesterday we did fall short of the 4,000. And that was the whole play. Yeah, we want to see 4,000 come into play, and then the bigger area of 4,020 right now. But as you guys can see, trading quite nicely, very similar. Some of the guys getting that lower entry for myself personally. Very simple one. You guys can almost see here without even going into OES, is you have Asia highs and a previous daily high. Is it a previous daily low?
Previous daily high, yeah.
But you guys can see, obviously, Asia highs are lining up nicely there. And the thing about that is we always talk about these key areas is you want to see volume. If you look at it at the same time, not only there's all these equal highs, nice bodily flats. So what do you guys think once you get a nice bodily closure above it? Very, very simple stuff over there. I still ran 100, but you literally even could have actually gone with a 50, because why? You want to see volume being injected into this pair. So there was my closure just above. And the idea was very, very simple. If you want to see volume come in now that you've broken previous daily highs, you've broken key areas, you want to see volume come in. If the trade closed back under the range, very good chance it was going to be invalid, and you could potentially be going all the way back down for Asia lows. So that was the trade for me this morning. I am going to look at possible re-entries because gold does look like it is alive. And a very, very simple one that you guys should all be picking up on is if we can get a nice entry criteria over here where we continue to hold the daily R1, best know I am going to go for that move to potentially go to daily R2s. As I already said to you, I am targeting the potential move of 40.20. So if we go to daily R2, that obviously gives us 40.25, which does line up with your $5 grids. So a lot of confluencies over there. But again, as much as we've learned from this week, even with this little bit of volume coming in, don't lose your heads. Still be patient. Wait for your entry criteria and see what the markets can give you. So I hope DAX flashes opened. But yeah, chat, that is everything from me.
Alrighty, ladies and gents, we have 4 minutes. Kigo needing 4 sales today. I think he's already busy there on Instagram, and he's going to start selling you guys shortly. I think after this next gold trade, he's really going to sell you guys. And we won last night, Chad.
Sure, bro.
We won. Me, Keek, Slashy, and
Hey,
was it Carl?
Slash, yeah. Yeah, it was Carl.
Sure. Red sick. They didn't want us to win, so we won more.
Sure, bro.
Chad, we won more.
And the last game, bro, that was still sweet. We should have made the last round there in that last game. But our teammate did us dirty there. Man watches them defuse that bomb.
But they, I don't know with the aim though. I don't. The mechanics of the aim for me is still something's weird there.
Nah, I think
Do you go for a headshot or do you just go for the body?
Honestly, body. Like the
Yo.
time to death in that game is so quick, so you could just beam them. But,
Because I literally.
But hold on, that's the real one. Are you still playing on the standard sensitivity?
What do you mean standard?
Like the default sensitivity?
Yeah.
Bro, that is so slow. I felt like a grandpa on that. I had to like triple my sensitivity to get to
I know, but
that.
remember I used the DPI setting.
Oh, okay.
So I
said to the first, even Carl, bro, was like, no, that thing is so slow. Like, you have to up your sensitivity.
No. So I just you also have that button here, so where you can set your DPI. So I never go into.
The global chat.
That global chat needs to be sanitized. So we went to bed at 1:30 this morning, chat.
Well, there was the one game where you guys were in the next game within 5 minutes because I saw the loud mouths in the chat. Yeah, Jono, bro, those Oaks were going in on it, eh? I don't know what the golfers did to them, but...
Yo, chat, some people, it's just, yo, man, yo, sissy.
Then it was campers.
Yellow peer campers. Bro, people are just aggressive, my dude. But the thing is that first one, we had a lot of time to loot.
Yeah, we had a good start.
But all of the other ones, it felt like we dropped and it was immediately like, oh, the one man left. Revive me. Oh. Chris, thanks for my 3-month subscription. It's a pleasure, my brother. It is almost like PUBG, same mechanics.
Wait, where are we giving 3 months away now?
Remember yesterday? That 3.
Oh, the free
Yeah,
month
yeah.
on top of their
Yeah,
payment. Oh,
Let's see how Keegan is going to sell today. Alrighty, Chad. And with that being said, where is the horn, my brother? Markets are open and in motion in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay, let's see what we can get here. Let us see. I'm honestly liking, if we can get it, the idea for us to come back here and then continue. But otherwise, if we start to consolidate around this area and then break out, we can go to that next. So let's check something here. Just here for vibes. So this would be the play.
oh, you see, bro, Rooksy got 300 today.
Joe, the rooks are clap at 300. Joe, rooks. Rooksa. Yo, I love how 300 is 300, 100 is 100. Last night, was it Rian? 200.
Yeah, back to back, 100 is 100.
Yo. Rian clapping 2 centuries quickly. Bro, remember that one where the guy was literally sitting on the thing? Slash is like, we're all asking where's the guy. Slash is like, he's literally on top of the thing. Yes, he clapped all 4 of us. We walked in there. Where are they? Clapped. Oh. But that's how up we played PUBG. Is you just stay on the edge. Oh damn, Keegs. Is that your cell? Let me see.
Yeah, it is.
Is it your... Oh no, it's a legacy cell. Wait,
They just paid, my brother. It's not a legacy sale.
let me see.
I'm telling you, I literally spoke to this person. I saw the DMs yesterday. Now they're joining. It's
Oh, chat. We need to check those DMs. Let me see. Okay, no. He was in the DMs. He was in the DMs. I can confirm that is a sale to Kigo.
Brother, who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.
The helicopter, yo. I don't know why you guys put me in the helicopter. Joe, but we're gonna have to be responsible, Keeks. So
Yeah.
that from where we started at 10 o'clock, one more. Then it was 11 o'clock. Okay, we can't end like this. Let's just do one more. So okay, one more. 11:45. Okay, this is really the last one. 12:15. Okay, boys, I think I need to go, but we're gonna push for one more.
Hey, bro, we were chasing that one again.
Are you guys competing for sales? Yeah, we are. So we've got a little internal reward, Salesman of the Month. So it's between me and Keeks. I made 5 sales yesterday. The one more is a real thing. Yo,
It really was, bro.
it's like we can't
Alright,
end.
boys, what are we doing?
We
What are
can't.
doing?
We
We're doing
can't
one
end
more.
it. You know what it is though. It is like you hoping, or actually you're not hoping that you, because we every time we're in lobby it goes quiet and everyone waits to be like, it's actually you should be in bed.
Yeah, Chad, that's a very, very true point. If you're ever in that position, Cribbo is the last person who flies the helicopter. You don't let him fly.
I was still figuring out the controls with it. I'm trying to figure out how to fly the thing.
We sit in there like a Chad. And you know, it's that typical thing, eh? Like, you obviously sit on the side, so you can't see in front of you. You sit in this way. I'm enjoying life, watching the sunset, and next minute, I'm upside down and in the ground.
Yeah, the issue is the drop zones are way too close to each other. And I don't know how those guys get dropped so quickly. We literally land the same time. Already SMGs, grenades flying. I'm like, how, dude? I'm still trying to get through a door.
Bro, that one team, Chad, our whole team, like all 4 of us, are stuck in one little room. And somehow this other enemy opposition had every single RPG on the map. Bro, they were just nailing us. Oh.
But it is a lacquer game, though.
No, it's fun, bro. The fake out wasn't involved.
No, so this morning, if you consider it, there was the fake out above, false break, and then the closure above. I think on Keegan's one also, was it last week, Keegs?
Yeah.
This exact same setup, if you go into Keegan's trade alerts.
So if you've been in Prodigy, you'll see that was literally a copy and paste of a trade we took last week.
Let me quickly...
Kijita Battlefield 6 Red Sick.
Yeah, here it is. Let me just... Okay, let's do this quickly. This trade we actually took last week as well. There, Keeks also shared it. There was Asia Highs. There was your little fake out. There was your break of structure. Visual effects also vary because you will be running in a building.
Yeah, Christopher, I think you're just looking at it as a more aggressive break. We're obviously not going to talk a lot about this if you are in Project G. We're not going to talk about that here on stream. We obviously have the mini bootcamp call this weekend. They will touch on it and we'll go through a lot to clarify. Because that's the thing, I see a lot of guys are absolutely smashing it. And then these guys who are doing well, but they are missing a few of the trades because they're not sure. But that is where we'll clear things up this weekend for you guys. So Chad, if you're not in Project G, you can literally attend the first boot camp this weekend if you sign up now.
Alrighty. Gold just giving us that initial pump.
Nah, Darren, you see, that's the thing, bro. You start off gently. If you just hit oaks aggressive, you're actually going to chase them away. So you just ease into it. And then eventually you're going to hook them. It's like fishing, bro. Think about it.
With what is this?
Sales.
Oh, with the sales. Okay.
Like, that's the thing. You've already bitten the bait. I'm just not reeling you in yet. And before you know it, you're going to be thrown on board.
Choof.
Are we doing the good old 6 to 10? No, Andre. We're going to do it on a Sunday night. The reason we've done that is the Saturday guys are always busy. They're out and about. They're doing things. So, I mean, we could do the 6 to 10, but I am quite busy on Friday, so I might even be choked by 6 to 10 on Saturday. But I must say, I think the guys have been enjoying the Sunday. It's kind of a little bit of a prep just before we start on Monday. It's only because it's a mini one, we'll do it an hour max. We might go to 2 hours.
And
It's
I
a
will
little bit
do
of
one in the week.
Yeah, it's a little bit of Q&A. We're just going to touch on the strategies and then whatever questions you guys have. Guys, the boot camps are worth a subscription fee. But Kiga, you are a salesman. I'm struggling to sell old stuff at cash converters, bro. Teach me the ways.
How do I turn my torch off on my gun? Because
Don't put it on.
I don't even know how to put it on.
Is that on a custom gun or a gun you picked up?
No, I think it's on the custom gun.
Yeah, I'll take it off.
Can I just remove it?
Yeah.
Bro,
We don't play any. I don't think any of the red sec maps are dark, so you don't need a lot. You don't need the torch on this.
Yo, that thing was irritating. Like
Yeah.
a little flashlight, yeah.
Can I sign up for Project G tomorrow and still be able to join the bootcamp this weekend? Fruit Loops, 100%, brother. You literally have till Sunday. Because keep in mind, when you join now with Project G, with us being on WAP, it is instant. So you literally join. You could join 10 minutes before the bootcamp. And technically there. I wouldn't suggest that because maybe something happens. Maybe we change the time and you miss it then. But yeah, you could join tomorrow. 100% you there, bro.
And it's going to sweeten the deal if you join in the next hour.
Chad, you know what, I'm going to tell you guys now. I had this conversation with Cribbo last night and we did talk about it. So I think anyone now, if you guys join right now, we've got a special deal for you. But if you guys take the 3-month or the 6-month deal, trust me, we've got a very, very special deal for you guys. This is that call-in. So you're going to see who plants the seed before you reap the reward. Peter, I'm not going to say you might actually have a one-on-one. Cribbo's been telling me how generous he is and he actually wants to really work with you guys. So he's
Giving away one-on-ones.
What do you mean me, bro? You said you wanted to do one-on-ones with the guys.
Hi, Kiki.
So those
I
of you
never-
who get the time now, you guys will get
Yo.
these one-on-ones with Chris.
Yo, Kiki lazy.
Remember, bro, there was no way we said how we can't sell. Those were your words yesterday.
No, but you can't sell me, bro. You got to sell a subscription. Keegan is selling me, Chad. My boy is selling me now.
You are part of the 2Gs, bro. You come as the package.
Alright, Chad, potential 15-minute play here on deck. Get ready, get ready. What are the stops gonna be? Oh, we can go with 50.
One-on-one with Cribbo, normal price 10k, now free when you sign up. There you go. I'll make it sweeter. If you take the 6-month sub, I'll do a special session. There you go, Chad. You see, literally, this is what the community is all about. Community helping community. You guys will even get a session
Chad,
with
sorry,
the Chad.
man. I'm in longs here. Oh, my entry is shit. 50 stop for a 50 TP.
Okay, there we go. There's a 3-month subscription. So does that make up for the difference now?
I don't want to be with you now. Okay.
So we already had 2 plus a 3-month. I feel like that makes up 5 already.
No, but that was before stream.
No, no. What do you mean?
The 2 from this morning. They were
Okay, so fine. So you have 3-month and the 1 which already was on stream.
So it's
that's
4. 4 for 4. Okay. That's fair.
Okay.
4 for 4. Alrighty, let's see here. Where was my entry? Okay. Alrighty, let me search it.
Morning Chad, morning Chris and Keys. Payout day for me today. I'll be back to stream next week if it's really late in the week for me to trade. Awesome stuff, brother. $50 is 50. There we go. Thank you, Goldie. 50 is 50. Where's the fat candles at?
Alrighty, chat. Almost gonna go break even. Just want to tap that 80. Where's Brian? Mayday, mayday. Another payday. Feels like he's sitting on the bench splitting candles. I feel like you guys like the volume candles. Because everyone is asking for the... Chris, where's the volume candles? Attack with the fat candles. Hi Brian, how's it not valid? There's your hourly Hourly resistance holding above.
Hey, Brian, you just burst his bubble now, bro.
No, man, Brian. Chad, you can technically go there, but I learned my lesson yesterday. Or this week. I'm not going to run away from money again.
You sure, bro?
Yeah, no. I was like... Only when things get tough. Hey, Brian, I've had a tough week so far. It was just a very busy morning. But I'll give you a call afterwards and we can chat. Send you a Zoom link. Just so I can see that pretty face.
At least you made sales.
At least you made sales. Yeah, I made sales. So I think we're sitting on 9 sales for the week. Yeah, chat
He
as soon.
just sends me a double winky emoji, then I know my mentor's thriving.
And you have G rewards. Chad, yeah, so for me, as soon as we basically break that session high, I will go break even. Candles are still looking thin here. Dollar is at that key zone. Remember that key daily zone we spoke about, so this could be the turning point for gold. So we just need to monitor. How much was this thing up? High.
Where are you down now?
No, I got my entry late. It opened up with a little teleport candle. Yeah, we need to start pushing that Giro. Check there quickly.
And there's another sale.
Was that your guy?
What do you mean, bro? They're all my guys.
Wait, let me check. Is there proof of concept for the sale, Keegs? Let me check.
I didn't have to prove yours yesterday.
Chay! Keegan. But Keegan is having a big day here. Keegan's equity curve is looking strong here. Yeah, we're actually gonna get affiliate links so you can track it.
Chad, how about we take it to a new level with G rewards? What if you make money for helping the G's grow?
Hi.
So now G rewards, not only you have to put money on the table, but if you love this community and you want the community to grow, well, what if we pay you for helping us make the community grow? You're doing God's work and the bank account grows at the same time.
Can we work back my... Brian, I'm going to send you that relocation proposal a little bit later, Chad. Brian might come on stream, Chad. He's asking for a measly $2,000 per stream. So we might have him on for 5 minutes a stream.
He wanted to also become part of the rotation, Chad.
He said he likes it. So I'm going to have that Zoom call. Brian, let's have that Zoom call. Let's lock it in. I'll empty Keeks retain. Alrighty, Chad. We are so close to a young tip here. How's this? What's the girth on this 15? Oof. It's a slender 15.
Sure, now we're just slender 15s.
This hourly is a little slender. Ach, this 15. Chad, I want to go break even on this. Alright. We are literally trading at the high. We don't want to be... These trades are relatively aggressive. Well, not really, they are quite aggressive. So you want to see volume push through these highs.
You're trading aggressive now, bro.
I'm an aggressive trader, my G. So if it's going to continue, there's almost like a little, I don't want to say a little double top, but if you look at these 2 5 minutes, little equal highs there. So if we are going to break these highs now, what you're going to see is a big run of volume, or we are actually going to reverse from there. So break even, risk is off the table.
Speaking of the rotation, I haven't seen Ed and Bonang for more than a week. Bonang is in Kenya.
Nigeria.
Nigeria. And Ed is in hiding because he didn't shave his head.
Okay, Chad, you see that there was the nip. So if this candle is gonna close bearish, very likely we'll come back down, or it could be a mayday. Oh damn, Chad. Stop edging us, gold. 415 is right there. Just go for it. Let's go for it, pal. Got nothing to lose here. Oh, Chad. Mayday. Beautiful, ladies and gents. There we go. Mayday. It is payday. Beautiful. Chad, stunning. 50 is 50.
There you go, Chad. Now, you guys were lucky because you saw it on stream. But if you were in Project G, you would have been alerted to that long ago for that trade. You could have been like Rooksy. Instead of a 50, that could have now been a 350 for 350.
No, Brian. I'm done, my bro. I'm done. For the love of that. No, I'm done, Brian. I'm looking forward to our Zoom call. See if we can lock in that relocation deal. Chad, let me know with drop a 7 in the chat if you guys want to see Brian himself. Absolute weapon in the trading realm. Little secret, best kept secret currently in the UK. Not a weapon in bed though, but a weapon on the charts. Little freak in the sheets. Talking about Excel, yeah. Keeks, take his phone away. Jay. You know what Brian sent me earlier in the week? This is the type of confidence I love, and that's why we want to work out that relocation deal. Brian said the chat already knows I'm great. I am the chat. I was like, Brian, let my agent get in contact with yours.
Sure, bro. You're gonna see what we're cooking up there. You ready for another sale, bro?
Yeah. So Yellen, the strategy that we trade is on there. There's quite a few strategies in the strategy vault. Yellen, did you not see? Wait, let me show you what is happening here. Okay, I'm gonna take you through Prodigy here quickly. So, sorry for the guys that already saw this, but I think for some of the guys that maybe haven't seen it, so you get the daily brief every morning. You get your daily outlook. You get all of the video courses. Within each and every one, there is a little breakdown of what is discussed, so you can print that. There's a little quiz at the end of each for you to go through. The bootcamp recordings, the bootcamps we have on weekends. G files, that's energy files. You've got the G chat where the guys are in as well. Little chart flex, that's where the guys share some of their results. Trade alerts, Keegan's trade alert, and yeah, so there's quite a bit in there for you. But you really don't have to join. We've said it so many times. It's you really don't have to join. If you are in a financial position where you can't, this is enough for you. The streams are enough. Somebody asked me the other day, and on IG, they're like, yo, why should I join Project G? And I said, please don't join Project G. There's enough free resources on our YouTube channel. There's more than enough that we do in the live stream, so please do not join at all. Almost like I was hard up for that sale. Yesterday I was hard up for the sale, just to prove Keys a point, but don't ask me in my DM, why should I join? You shouldn't. Literally, for somebody that's new, if you go on our channel, and you go to playlist, there's a section here, start your trading journey here. So here we've actually put it in a nice little order for you guys. And yeah, this is more, this right here is more than enough to get you going, so you don't have to pay anybody. How do I turn on notifications? If you go in the G chat section, oh no, I see it's not pinned. Wait, if you go to announcements, Chronic was so kind to actually put it in there for you. So if you go to announcements, you'll see there, don't miss a single alert. And yeah, he showed you exactly how to do it. Absolute legend. I sometimes feel you guys don't even read. It's just like, wow, where's the trade? Oh, Keegan said long, let me long. Go. Some guys sending us messages saying they're not getting value. How do we enter these trades? It's like, bro, everyone's entering it. So what are you? Are you having pizza or what?
There you go, bro. For once, we had like a solid day now. I mean, London and both our trades are done.
Keys, I'm considering short here, my bro. What do you think about the shorts here?
Could be monster, bro. Just remember to share it, eh?
Just a little, okay. Brian, what do you rate of this little pullback play here? I'm kidding, Brian. I'm joking. Oh. Keys, what are you doing, bro? Let me see. My first day in Project G, I made back the subscription. There you go, ladies and gents.
I'm not. Ruben, I really love it, but please, we do not pay you to say that.
Wait, let me see. Keegan is cooking here.
Alright, jeez. Babe, you made the right choice there, my brother.
Absolutely, if we purge. Okay.
Just go check there, bro. Like, you can't. Look at that trading funnel I produced there today.
Wait, let me check.
Look at that trading, that sales funnel.
Hey, Kiga.
What a sales funnel, bro.
Kiga lazy. Price just went up for the retainer. XM, if we are not in Abu Dhabi at the end of the year, HFM is in our DMs. But really, they are.
They don't give up, eh? I'll give the guys credit for perseverance.
Yeah.
Sure.
Nah, Chad, XM, honestly, there's levels to this game. And XM is very high on the level.
You know what I love though, bro, is the certain guys where they still produce and they're like, yeah, screw the South African brokers. I'll only work with the internationals. These are the top brokers. And then the next, like 2 weeks later, they don't get a deal from them. Screw these brokers. Don't trust them.
These international brokers just want to screw us. I mean,
Loving the new WAP platform.
are you talking about?
Spicy.
Okay. These local brokers going to trusted international broker. These guys are cock. Dude, I don't understand it, but anyways.
Man, you don't get a deal.
How's it that the issue is with everyone?
Never you.
The issue is always with everyone else, but never.
Guys, you know I put my community first. I will always strive to bring you the best conditions, the best thing for my community.
Are you going out to Mr. Spoon?
This is the platform. Trust me, guys. We are going to do big things. New offices, big things. We're going to take over the game. We are 6 months in, and this is the 9th broker I am now with. But it's just because the others are. They screwing us, guys.
Oh, I thought you like a Spoon, Mr. Dubai.
No, that's an old. That's. Hey, bro. At least you got to go to Dubai.
Yo, the mans are hustling for a retainer.
The other oaks. Every time I see them, bro, it's a new broker.
Here's the thing. I told the guys, I'm not one to push volumes and sales, this and that. I just want my community clean trading conditions, clean retainer. But no, don't expect volume from me. Just a clean retainer.
So BMS, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on how this game works. Just like a prop firm, it's a deal. Anything in business needs to be beneficial for both parties. So you can come to me and say, all right, I will pay you guys this amount of money to keep you guys at our platform, which is all right. But there's going to be T's and C's. Like a stupid example of saying, okay, every month bring me 50 clients. Like that can be on the thing. Oof, there's another one, bro. Another payment. But I think I just beat your record now,
Wait,
by the way.
let me see.
Because that is 7 sales.
Hi, geeks.
But what I was going in there, chat, is so then they say that's their term. You agree to those terms. Then the next month, what happens is you brought 1 client. You didn't meet the terms. So now they turn around and say, listen, we're not paying you. We chalking the deal. Then you throw your fit, say they are scammers, they do you dirty, but you never upheld your side of the bargain. So what do? You just rinse and repeat. So now they go to the next broker and they see what broker will give them a deal until they can't.
So you actually
you're
stealing.
and they
You're actually stealing from the broker, because the thing is, it's transactional. So if you're the only one benefiting out of the deal, then you're stealing, because you are technically a marketing partner for that broker. So I never understood why the guys would be like, no, I don't do these volume things. I just clean retainer.
But I will give credit. I'm not going to say the person's name. But I will give him credit that in the sense of he realized, because he got greedy, wanting more, but he doesn't have the community. He doesn't have his own profitability. And he left because he wanted more money. Then you come back with your tail between your legs, saying, actually, no, I want to come back. But in that process, he actually realized he can't trade for shit. And rather just go to someone who has something good and say, guys, can I not get a cut in on what you're doing? And just give me a cut for marketing.
Are you
So at
talking
least
about
you're not...
the person who yesterday,
Yeah. So at least you're not
Mr. TikTok.
trading anymore and blowing people up because you can't trade for shit. At least you then are actually giving people something good. But
I wonder if there was a road to Dubai, would they take the cars? Hey.
yeah.
John,
they
no
always
flying,
go-
Ryan driving. But did you see? Brian is a weapon, dude. I don't think some guys won't get it, Brian, but I get it.
Keys, we still make a special deal for the guys that joined on stream.
You can join our
hold
Red
on.
Six squad.
So far, I think it was only 1 person
On stream, yeah.
that was on stream. I think Bev was the only one I saw. I could be wrong. I'm not saying you guys aren't, but Bevan is the only one whose name I could clearly see when that joining thing came through.
So this is entrepreneurship.
But
Entrepreneurship.
I mean, that's the thing. Remember, guys, it's a beneficial thing. Yeah, so we definitely can we can come to a mutual agreement here. I mean, at this point in time, do you need the special deal when the special deal would have been your trade right there, which you just missed, which would have paid your monthly fee? But it's like, but we can work something out.
Okay, Chad.
Brian, is this a real thing? Who said this yesterday as well? Someone mentioned this yesterday about something. Is this like a real thing happening now that you guys are saying this?
Kabuki land. I don't know, bro. I'm just chill, bro. I just want to play Red Sick and chill.
What's good, Home Slices? What's up, Eddie?
Let's get slices. Chad, yeah, I think our job is done, yeah. I need to lock in. I see quite a few of you guys want to see Brian on stream. So Brian, 12 o'clock, we lock it in.
Last question, please. Sorry, bro. I just want to ask this guy. Once you join Prodigy, you will not need to attend this stream, I'm guessing, because the stream trades are also given on PG. So 2 things. There is trades we take on stream that aren't necessarily shared. but majority of them are, and there is trade shared on Project G that aren't on stream.
Yeah.
So they weigh each other out. For example, the guys literally caught gold almost 300, 400 pips down already today. So
I just took the last bit of it. Yeah.
yeah,
So,
where you guys now, for example, saw 50, the guys have already been in for 300. You get what I'm saying? So they outweigh each other.
advise on switching on WAP. My brother. Please go to the announcement section. The last message in the announcement section, there's a clear guide as to how. Don't miss a single trade alert. There you can go in and you can put on all of your notifications, my brother.
Then, for example, like now, you guys didn't see my trade I took this morning, but that was because that was already with Project G this morning. So, yeah, as I say, they outweigh each other. But as Thingy says that you join the stream regardless. I mean, you get to be around community. But obviously, I do know you guys have jobs. So if you can't, obviously it does make up for it. Is there NFP tomorrow? It
No.
should be. It's first of Friday, but have they put it down?
No, it's still not available.
Okay, yeah. No NFP tomorrow, guys. But yeah, chat, I think there's no need to.
Wait,
sit
no,
here
no.
That doesn't show it. There's no NFP tomorrow.
Oh, it's showing here on my side. Expected 22k, previous
Where do you see
22.
Friday
Yeah,
the 7th of November.
yeah, it's showing 5 o'clock.
It doesn't show, yeah, bro. I've got consumer sentiment at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, check it. But whether we get it, there's a non-farm payrolls 50, unemployment rate 4.3. But whether we get it, I don't know. And it's showing 0330. Okay, we'll see, Chad. I don't know. It's a mixed bag. Keeks, any closing remarks, my brother?
No, Chad. Very, very good down the markets. Finishing strong, yeah. 2 great trades. So, yeah, as I said to you guys, these are the sessions, these are the weeks that make or break traders. And the fact we are coming out on top of this week still very, very profitable, I think shows something. It tested our discipline, it tested our strategy, it tested our rules, and it tested the idea of, again, being greedy and not being greedy. In this situation, for example, and I think Chris, we can at least take it from a joking side. We've learned going for a 1 to 2 in a ranging week didn't work.
No.
What happened? Go for his 1 to 1, yeah, played out beautifully.
But I would have gone for 1 to 1 this morning, and it would have given 1 to 7.
Okay, no, but that play is a higher time frame play, so you should go for 1 to 2 minimum on that trade. But yeah, Chad, I think great start for the day. We'll see what comes up for us in New York session. But a reminder, if you had, for example, all the trades like the Project G guys had this morning, if I can give you any advice, and this is coming from people because we're not here just to make you take trades and blow your accounts up. If you are up and you caught all 3 of the trades today,
You're done for the day.
you are done. Like, you are done. Don't trade again. Come hang out if you want to just hang out with the community, but that's it.
Brian's here at 12 chat. I'm going to try and see if we can get our latest signing. It's not going to be easy, but I think with the right deals in place, you guys might see Brian on stream. So,
There
chat,
we go.
we will see you guys 4 p.m. Close the charts, delete MetaTrader for now. We'll see you guys 4 p.m. Peace.
Just Chad.
Wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the back.